Hi, in this video we are going to see about how to download and install VMware Workstation. Download link is given in the description. Just go and click the download link and just download the VMware Workstation Pro. After completing the download, just right click on the package and click Run as Administrator. Just click next, accept the license agreement and just next. Leave it all the same and click next. Click next. Just begin the installation. Just click install and it will take about 10 minutes. The installation has completed. This is the VMware Workstation. Here we can create a new virtual machines.